Hi guys, it's Jason from Technically Robust Recruitment here, and I just thought I'd add in two videos here just to explain how you convert binary to decimal and decimal to binary. So let's get into it. So along the bottom here, what you have is the binary number, which is 10010000, and we need to convert that into a decimal number. So bearing in mind this is 8 bits, which makes one octet in an IP address. Okay, so all we need to worry about is everything that's got a 1 underneath it. The zeros can be completely ignored in this instance. So all we need to do is 128 plus 16. Okay, so anything that's got a 1 underneath it, we add it all together. So it's 128 plus 16, and that will equal 144. Okay, so moving on to the next slide, we're just going to do an entire IP address here, and we'll reveal the answers as we go along. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, yeah, so I did actually realise that I made a few errors here. So these are supposed to be ones, not zeros, so just bear that in mind. Okay. Okay then. So what we need to add up here is 11000000 and so on, and this will make up the first octet in our IPv4 address. So if we just reference down here, so this one makes one is 128 plus this one, so that's 64. So 128 plus 64 equals 192. Okay then. So now moving on to the next one, which is 10101000. So again, all we need to do is reference which ones matches up with this. So it's 128, that's a 0, 32, so 128 plus 32, and that 16 is a 0, so we don't need to worry about that. And then we've got a 1 there as well, so it's an 8. So what we're worrying about is 128 plus 32 plus 8, and the rest is all zeros. And that would equal 168. Okay, and then I'm pretty sure you can all guess this next bit, but this is all zeros apart from the ones at the end. Okay, so we can ignore everything up until this number here, which is the 1, so that would equal 1, and then the same again for the second one, so again that's a 1. Okay then, so I hope this gives you a bit more understanding of how we convert a binary number into a decimal number, and what this number actually means if you ever see it out there in the real world. You'll rarely ever run into this, if ever, but it is good to know that this is how an IP address is made up, and you'll certainly need to know it for any networking exams that you take. Okay, thank you very much.